Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at chord exercise 4, Highlife guitar chord exercise 4. We have done C, we have done F, we have done D minor, we have done E minor, we have done A minor, we have done G7. Today we are going to add a little bit and then apply it in a simple song. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button, click the notification so that you will not miss any lesson from this channel. It's not easy finding some of these systematic lessons online, so try and follow me. Let me see your comment at the comment section. Watch the video, subscribe. People are not subscribing. Some people are watching without subscribing. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share the videos, and then give a thumbs up. Let's begin today's lesson. Okay, the chord we are going to add today is C7. Your usual C. Put your hands on your C, then add your forefinger on the 3rd fret of the G string. Okay, so that we get what? C7. My right hand, let's see, I'm doing this. This is what I'm doing. This is what we are going to do. Okay, so I think this is the only chord left for us to apply in a song. So this is C7. Okay, let's try it once more. Put your first finger on the 1st fret of the B string, your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and then your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. You are left with your forefinger. Put it on the 3rd fret of the G string. Okay, so if I take it off and then very close, you can see it like this. This is C7. Play it. Good. Now we are going to add this chord into our chord exercises we have been doing. So the exercise we are going to do, we are going to have a song, NYANKOPON. It's like this. NYANKOPON, ye wa yeda That is the song we are going to sing and then do the chord progressions. It is very simple. It is very simple. On this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button. I am reminding you. Subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment at the comment section. All right. If you don't understand anything, leave it at the comment section so that we can discuss. All right. So let's add a metronome so that we play. Okay, so it's like this. You are a total beginner. This is the song the children were playing. Do, re, mi. Fa, re, so, mi. Okay, so we are going to do this in chords. Let me reduce the tempo so that that we can learn. Alright, so let's begin at 75 beats per minute. That's what we are going to use. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3. We are starting at C. Look at what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is what I want you to practice this time. Let me take out the metronome and then do it slowly for you. So I am using my thumb to do the strumming, so don't worry. It's like this. Okay, so let's do the strumming. C, at C, we are beginning at C. Do, then we go to G. F, D minor, C major, A, then C7, D minor, yeah, come, then D, go down. Shall we do it again? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, Ye, wa, ye, da. It is very simple as ABC. I hope you have gotten it now. So let's try and add a metronome and let's see. I'm going to sing so that you will play the chords. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Do, Ye, wa, ye, da. Let's repeat it. Do, nyankopon, ye, wa, ye, da. I hope you were able to play. Yeah, it's very simple. Let's do it. Do, nyankopon, ye, wa, ye, da. Ye, come for I'll try my possible best to write the chord progressions on the screen for you. At every progression, I'll write it on the screen for you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, Beginner Highlife Guitar Learner, and you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification. Click on the notification. Don't miss any lesson from this channel. Good. On this note, let me see your comment at the comment section. Share the videos and then give a thumbs up. We end here with today's lesson. We will come your way with another interesting and beautiful lesson. Thank you.